to University Living. Today we're going to be discussing about opening of the universities and the accommodations available. So we all know a lot of UK universities, majority of them are opening up in September, and the students can look forward to the face-to-face lectures and on-campus learning. And though all of this is great news, but we also understand that the number of students being accepted in university accommodations are going to be lesser this year, and that is because of the social distancing mandate. So more and more students will be looking out to the PBSAs, which are so when I say PBSAs, I mean privately managed student accommodation. These are extremely popular with the students and are a great place to be at. Specifically at this time where the students are now looking for a home away from home, these PBSAs are an excellent choice. So they are very well furnished student rooms which you get with common areas like the communal kitchens and the living rooms. These common areas are under all government regulations, being extremely well managed, very and frequently sanitized, taking into consideration the requirements these days. In fact, to go a little step forward, they have come out with on-site meal plans which are ready meals available to the students to make them more comfortable and to make them feel more easy during this time and phase, and also to let them minimize the use of common areas. In fact, technology has taken a tremendous aspect here. So we all know technology is really helping us at this time where Zoom is really coming into picture and people are coordinating and having a communication on a virtual level. In fact, these PBSAs have come out with an excellent app where just with the download of these apps, you can manage to shut the the door and various other things which can be managed just by the click of the button in the app. So I think these are all aspects and these are all efforts by these private managed accommodation to help ease out and to provide the maximum amount of hygiene and comfort which can be provided to students amidst the coronavirus. And they're an excellent choice. As I mentioned, there are going to be more and more students who are going to be looking out for the PBSAs this year. So I'd advise you all to start booking now, to start shortlisting your kind of accommodations as per your criteria and your comfort, and to be able to find your home away from home. And we are here at University Living and we're happy to help you do that. Please connect to us, and we are very professional at providing things to you as per your requirements. Write to us, feel free to comment below in case of any specific requirements you have, and we will get back to you as always. Thank you so much for listening to this video. Stay safe, all the best, and do write to us. Subscribe to us, and thank you so much. Take care.